Hi boys and girls, welcome to math. We are going to finish our book about positional words, and then we're going to do an activity that involves making paper bracelets. So let's go ahead and read. Above and below. Jack invites Sam to play in his backyard. Before going, he asks his parents. Sam's mom and dad say yes. Jake's friend Casey comes out to play. 2. They climb up and down the rope ladder. Then they play leapfrog. In the picture, Casey is above Jake. Jake is below Casey. Sam's cat is above Jake's dog. Here's the cat and here's the dog. The dog is below the cat. Now, look at the children playing leapfrog. What is below them? What would be below them? That's right, the grass. Over and under. Jake's mother brings a snack outside. Sam, Jake, and Casey sit at the table. The umbrella is over the picnic table, right there. Jake's dog is under the picnic table, right there. The dog waits under the table in case someone drops food. In this picture, we see over and under. In Jake's garden, a bee flies over a flower. A worm is under the flower, right there. Now, look around you. What is over your head? What is under your feet? Left and right. Casey hears her mom calling her home, but Casey says she will come back soon. She lives just across the street. From her house, she can see Jake's house on the left. She can see Sam's house on the right. So here on the left, and there's on the right. After Casey leaves, the boys drive a remote car. They drive the car left and right in front of their houses. Then they try driving the car up a ramp. The car flies down from the top. Jake's dog is on the left. Sam's cat is on the right. Look around you. Name something on your left. Name something on your right. And we see the dog on the left and the cat on the right. All right, boys and girls, for our next activity, go ahead and click on the link below.